Sheesh. Oh yeah, first ever bluegill. Hey you guys, welcome back to another video for Red Eyed Outdoors. Well, me and Zach, we're out here today. He brought me to this pond. He told me it's a pretty cool area. There's bluegill, bass, something just jumped out of water right there, and some trout in here. So today we decided to do a little catch and cook. We're gonna make some tacos. So the only bad thing is there are bugs everywhere. I mean skeeters everywhere. These are massive, like giant bees basically flying around. Weather's nice, feels good here. Zack and his son are over there fishing. Hopefully they're catching more stuff. And I'm sitting here with my little bobber, hoping to catch something. But stay tuned for that. And to start off the video, just want to say thank you guys, the ones that have subscribed. Thank you to those who are going to after this video. I appreciate all you guys. And if there's anything you guys want to comment on, go right ahead. I don't mind. Look how nice this looks. Nice area. Everything's all green. What'd you get? Bluegill? Bluegill? Nice.
Good size one.
Oh yeah. There you go. I have some paracord if you want to tie a paracord to that stringer. Toss it in a bit deeper.
Let's see how close he gets this.
I think he just got one too. Oh, never mind. I was out there. Yeah. The main one.
On that part of this one.
You want to tie a paracord to this one?
Oh yeah.
All right. Fucking skeeter bit my ear. Yep. Oh yeah, here we go. He ain't looking alive. This one's looking alive. Oh, these skeeters, man. Skeeters galore. Jesus Christ. So now I get my little trout hook. Get my worm. Oh, skeeters on the neck. All right, here we go. My 76 balls afloat. Use these for sharks. You got one? Nice. Bluegill also? All right, Zayn. A wax one? Both of them?
No, I caught mine on a regular one. He caught his on a wax one.
Okay. The wax worm are hitting. Red worms are hitting. Now since they're over there, I'm gonna come over here and see if I can get something near this tree. There's something right there. Let's go see if that something there is hungry. Probably should have put a split shot on there or something. Hey, let me see him, Zayn. Let me see him. Oh, he's a little guy. Hang on. Keep him up. Keep him out of the dirt.
Ow. His fins.
His fins will get you, huh? Yeah, he's pretty cool looking. There you go. Oh, you got a little blue hook too?
Yeah.
Oh, there's your wax worm. That's cool. Then you can throw them back.
Bye-bye. Your name is Cedric.
What's his name? Cetric, all right. Little spines on his fins will get you. Toss him in.
Bye.
Later, Gator. All right, cast number 2. Just got a regular worm on there, little red worm. Yeah, Zack and Zayn are slaying him over there. Bluegill after bluegill. And I'm waiting still. Still waiting for my first. Nice and quiet up over here. Besides the bees buzzing. I mean, mosquitoes buzzing. Alright, we're on the way back. Gamma just caught his PB here. That's a nice colored one too. Get a picture real quick. Alright. Sheesh. Go over there, see if I can catch my first ever bluegill.
Like 5.
Oh shit, this is.
These things in the water, dude.
Oh, there's a small one right here.
I know.
Is that the one?
I got him in the gills.
Oh, okay.
Right in my pool.
Oh, slap him on a hook and retrieve him in. So you just get one of these guys and throw him on, or?
Yeah, just hook him to his body. That's all it is.
Body, all right.
What are these called?
I don't know.
Type of carp, isn't it?
Carp or shad, something like that. It could be a carp. I have no idea. It's got gold on the belly? Or orange? Oh, the bottom fins. It is. Yeah, I have no idea. That's a first.
Unless it's like I think it might be like a type of grass carp.
Oh, you fuck. No, I had it, but it was something big for sure. 14-pound test? Yeah, I just broke it off right now. All right, retied, worm on there. I want to go back and see if I can get him. Try casting in the same area. Right here in the front. No way. Finally. Oh yeah, first ever bluegill.
Yeah?
Yeah. Small guy. There he is. First ever. Little bluegill. Pretty cool looking fish. Let's see if we can get a bigger one. Oh, you son of a bitch. Are you fucking shitting me? Broke my line again. A largie? With another one.
You gonna catch one or what, Zane?
I can't.
Nice.
Don't kiss.
No.
He can open his mouth bigger than you can.
No.
You gonna eat him?
Alright, you guys. So we're gonna do a little catch and cook now. I'm gonna do the cooking part. And so far, I caught little small ones. Zack caught. No way! Zack keeps on catching them. Nice place. About to get down right here. Here's the bluegill. big ones. Who's that? I'm gonna chop them up. Make some tacos. But for now, we're gonna do the cleaning part. Cleaning part's really easy, but I just know for you with YouTube, I can't show you guys the whole cleaning process. But we are gonna eat these. All right, so sprinkle some of this on your fish. That's plenty. Mix it around, get it all up in there. If we had a chicken egg, we'll be able to dip the fish in the egg and in the batter, and then back in the egg and then in the batter again. Double batter them up, double dip them. Now, should cook the tortillas first. All right, so we're gonna turn this baby on. Fire in the hole. Now we're cooking.
Yep.
All right, so we got our tortillas are done. Gonna add some more oil for the fish in there.
Unzip the fish.
Yeah, go ahead.
Just put one by one in there.
One at a time. We're gonna have some golden crispies. All right, so now we're gonna add the fish to the oil. You gonna grab them, set them in there? Set the bottom in first. Just drop it in there. Perfect.
Just keep going.
Yeah, you can put all 4 of them in there. There you go.
Butt in first. Can you
Set it right on this side?
scoot that one?
Yeah, go ahead and set it right there, that side. On the right side. Perfect. These get all crispy.
And it's getting louder.
Golden crispies.
That's the crispy.
That's what I like. I like a fish with a crunch to it. Right on the crunch on the outside. Perfect fish.
I'm gonna fish
You
that.
only need a couple minutes to cook, but.
I'm gonna fish that and cut into the one.
Okay. Sounds good, buddy. All right. Perfect taco eating size. All right. Any more fish to be cooked?
No.
Nope. All right, you guys. So we just got done cooking everything. Now we're gonna put the tacos together. First thing, grab your tortillas, you get your fish, cilantro, whatever kind of sauce you guys like, lemon, cabbage, some cheese, and some salsa. Tea for me, and also on tapatio if you guys want it. But this is how I make my fish tacos. All right, so first thing you want to do is get your sauce. Sauce goes in the bottom. Spread your sauce around, be generous with it. Add your fish to it. Is it hot?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Still hot.
Really, really hot, huh? Alright. This one's gonna be Zayn's. So we got our sauce. And then we can add a little bit of cabbage. So now I'm gonna add some cilantro.
Such as
Now I'm gonna add some of this good crumble cheese. Alright. And add a little pico de gallo on it. First, let's add a little bit of tapatio. Pico, a bit of salsa. All right, ready to try taco?
Whatever one you want. Let's do.
bon appetit.
Not bad. I'm waiting to see a big ass tree fall.
Bon appetit.
Alright, you guys, that's it for us. We're out of here. Zack caught plenty of bass, bluegill, some weird looking shiners, carp, whatever they are. But me, just a couple bluegill, little small guys we threw back. But other than that, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to the channel. Help us out. It means a lot. And we'll see you guys next time.
I need that thumbs up. Yeah.
Thumbs?
Smash that thumbs up.
Smash that
And the
thumb up
subscribe
button.
button.
Help us out. It means a lot. Thank you guys. Peace. See you guys next cast.